Ion, a 19-year-old boy from a small town, was often overlooked. People called him just that mechanic kid, laughed at his tiny workshop, and doubted he could ever achieve anything significant. But Ion had a gift, a rare ability to see potential in things everyone else considered useless or broken, while others chased fame, money, or shortcuts. He spent his time quietly observing, learning, and repairing. One day, an old man brought him a rusty, almost destroyed bicycle. "It's hopeless," everyone around said. "It'll never ride again." But Ion didn't flinch. He took the bicycle to his workshop and studied every dent, every broken spoke, and every rusted gear. For days, he worked tirelessly, cleaning, fixing, adjusting, and perfecting every small detail. While people mocked him outside, he silently transformed the bicycle into something that looked brand new, smooth, and strong. Word started to spread. People brought old motorcycles, broken scooters, and machines that had been abandoned for years. Ion worked on each piece with the same focus and dedication, never rushing, never complaining. Slowly, his little workshop became known as the place where the impossible came back to life. Months later, the old man who had first brought the bicycle returned. He couldn't believe his eyes. "How's this even possible?" Asketh. Ion smiled calmly and said, "Nothing is truly broken. With Patien's effort and belief, everything can shine again." Years passed, and Ion, still only in his early 20s, had gained respect not just for his skill, but for his mindset. Those who once laughed at him now admired him. His story became a reminder. What may seem broken or useless in the eyes of the world can hold immense value if someone believes, works patiently, and doesn't give up.